Hello there guys, and welcome to another unboxing video. What? Yes, first of all, I have had to put this down because if I don't, then the white reflects back up at the camera and it gets strobes, and I don't want that in case anybody has got photosensitive epilepsy. So we'll carry on with this and I'll get a proper tablecloth soon, but I just want to go over some of the accessories for the Z Flip 3, which is recording this video. So first up, we have the strap cases. We have the green and white one, and then we have the blue and orange one. Notice anything different? Yes, that is because this one is actually holding the phone right now, so I can't show off this case, and I do need the case on it because otherwise the phone would slip right off the phone thing. So those are the cases that I've bought. We'll just go over some of the freebies first. We have this freebie. It's a water bottle with the outline of the Samsung King's Cross store on it. This I got free when I picked up the actual phone. We also have a little silicone sticker that you can stick onto the back of your phone, and you can put a card in there, a credit card, debit card, I don't know, Nando's card, whatever card you really want to. In there we have a little Samsung KX drawstring bag, and this contains, if I open it up, dump it on up, we have a bottle of screen cleaner, and we also have a screen cleaning cloth as well in here. Again, with the same iconography of the Samsung King's Cross store, same with the card holder, and same with the sticker sheet that you get as well. So it's just all sorts of like home stuff up there. You got the smartwatch, you got TVs, you got fridges, blah blah blah. You got a computer typing away, your light bulb, you got a whale for some reason, and then the Samsung King's Cross store again there. I think they're very proud of that, and to be fair, it is a really good store. So if you are ever in London, make your way over to the King's Cross Samsung store. It is actually really good to go around. Yeah. Anyway, we'll get on to the main thing. What is in the title of the video? That is the Galaxy Watch 4. This is just the bog standard Galaxy Watch 4. It's not the Watch 4 Classic. And it is a 40mm band as well. So we'll open it up and see what's inside, shall we? Right now, this is the second time I've had to film this because the Flip 3 can't film over 5 minutes in 60 FPS. That's why you're watching this in 30 FPS. So apologies about that. But here we go. We have the watch. We have the accessory pack, and that's what I mean by the strobing. So I need to figure out something else. So we'll just get this out of here eventually. Come on, come out. The watch I got at the Stratford store at Westfield. So here is the little accessory box. In the bottom end, you get your warranty card and your quick start guide. And in the top of the box, now it isn't like this normally, but I've had to put it back in there because I have had to use it. We have the charging puck. Yeah, there you go. So it's just a wireless charger with a bit of rubber base on it and a magnet which will hold the watch in place. And then we get into the watch itself. I'm just going to remove all white from here just so we can look at it. And yeah, here is the watch itself. I've gone with the white / silver one because I just like the contrast, you know, white watch, black phone. And then you can see there the emoji of me telling me that I have a notification. And he just sassily points it out. Thank you very much. Let me just see what it is. Okay, it's literally just my daily target's been met, so swipe up and get rid of them. So yeah, it is a very good smartwatch. I have only had it for about a day so far, so I haven't been able to get like a proper hands-on review of it. But from what I have seen so far, given that I took it off charge last night at about 10 o'clock, and it is currently 3 o'clock today, so it's been off my charger for about 17 hours. Still got 54%, so that's still pretty good because I slept with it on to test the sleep tracking on it. Sleep tracking on it, I mean, I don't know what I'm doing with it, so it could be that I'm doing something wrong. But yeah, it is literally just a nice little smartwatch. It has got a 40mm case, like I said. You have a full touchscreen, so you can access all your apps. That looks weird on camera. But yeah, you can get all the apps. You can install apps via the Play Store, or like the Google Pay app, and that doesn't come pre-installed, but I've installed that on there. And yeah, it's just all around a really good watch with a sassy little AR emoji right there. So yeah, thank you very much for watching, guys. If you have enjoyed, then hit that like button and get subscribed. Ding dong the notification bell to be notified of when a new video comes out. I think the next video will be an overall review of the Z Flip 3 and the Watch 4 all together. And yeah, this has been a quick video, and I hope you enjoyed. Thank you very much for watching, guys, and see you later.